Wow, that's pretty heavy. Talk about determination.
I just hope he knows what he's doing out there.
Yeah, I'd hate to think of what'll happen if Joey faces Marek and loses.
I made my choice! Now my beast of guilt for attack! Your target is Marek's monster!
Hold on! Don't do it! Listen to me. Please, you. You're making a mistake, and I can't let you go through with this. You're attacking the wrong duelist, Yug. You shouldn't be attacking Marek. You should be attacking me. Trust me, Yug.
I don't get it. What's Joey thinking?
I'd say he's not thinking. Hey, Joey, I think the pressure's getting to you. Just relax and let Yugi make his move.
Just stay out of it, Tristan. This is something that I have to do. Yugi, I know you're just looking out for me, pal, but you can't keep protecting me for the rest of my life. I'll never learn to improve my dueling skills if you keep going easy on me. Think about it. The reason I came this far is because I faced the toughest opponents in my life in Battle City. They dueled against me with everything they had, and I defeated them all on my own. Stop! Sorry, Esperova, but both of your monsters are history. You're finished, and this duel is over.
Looking for someone?
Huh?
I thought I smelled a dung beetle.
That's my greeting after all this time. Now I can summon a creature whose attack power is virtually limitless. Insect Queen! Insect Queen, attack! Annihilate this tiny guardian!
You grub. I was hoping you would attack me.
You were?
Activate the trap card. Grave Robber!
Not Grave Robber!
Yep, he can take a card from your graveyard and use it against you. And he just nabbed your can of aerosol. Time to exterminate your queen! Yeah! There goes my best problem. Say goodbye to your fortress whale, Mako.
Well, I play this, Return of the Doomed. It brings back one of my monsters and hides it underwater.
I better think of something quick, or I'm sunk.
What on earth are you waiting for? Hurry up and make your move so my creature of the deep can strike and end this duel.
If I dry up Mako's ocean, it'll uncover and weaken his hidden monster. Giant Trunade! It worked!
You've exposed my fisherman. It's all over now. Just finish him off.
Your chances of victory have vanished.
Not so fast. Now, reveal Jinzo! Now, I sacrifice my battle warrior in order to summon the legendary fisherman. And now, I sacrifice my alligator sword and my swordsman of Landstar so I can summon this, my insect queen. Every one of my Battle City victories is paying off right now. Those duels got me 3 incredible monsters. I've come a really long way since the Battle City tournament began, if I do say so myself. If you really want to help me, Yugi, then treat me just like you would any other opponent. This is a 4-way duel, and it's everyone for themselves. I don't want any special treatment.
Let's go. It's time to move onward. I believe it's your move, Pharaoh.
He's right, You're in the middle of an attack, so pick your target. And remember, if you really believe in me, then you'll stop babysitting me and start treating me like your equal.
But Joey,
Come on now, Yugi, no buts. I have no monsters to defend myself, so your smartest move is to attack me.
Joey, no!
On the bright side, Joey does have the most life points so far.
Yeah, but since Joey is completely defenseless, Yugi's Beast of Guilford will blast him halfway up the tower. He'll be in last place.
Yugi, if you hold back, I'll know you don't think I can take it. I'm asking you, as my best friend, to attack me.
What if you...
What if you lose?
That may not be so bad. Remember, this duel only determines who faces who in the semifinals. And I need to face a certain someone to keep a promise I made to you and mine. You always have my back, so it's time I help you for a change. We'll whoop this Merrick creep and his Rare Hunter Goon Squad so hard they won't know what hit him.
Thanks, Joey.
Thanks, Joey.
I'm sorry I let you down, Mai. But I promise, I'm gonna get you out of this mess.
I
Understand, Joey.
And,
And I believe in you.
Now,
Now, Beast of Guilford, attack! Go straight for Joey's life points! Are you alright?
Never matter. Thanks, you. Blasting my lights out was the nicest thing you've ever done for me.